Assalomu alaykum hammaga. Bugungi video tutorialda men sizlarga qanday qilib facial recognition bilan ishlashni ko'rsataman. So, what that means? You're going to be able to take a picture of yourself or other people, and basically you'll have that little square facial kind of tracking movement. It takes picture and saves it in your folder. And then what you can do now, so you can create some patterns and you can compare to that. Basically, for example, you want to create a website, or you can create a web applications, or iPhone or Android, whatever. It basically opens up. You look at it just like the phone. Look at it, and basically opens up your application. So let's go ahead and execute that, right? So I'm using this Python with PHP. So I just wanted to see how well they can get along, basically, right? Python by itself, you can just go ahead and create that. But what I did was I connect to Python from PHP. Look what happened there. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Okay, there we go. It's no matter what I go, my face, see this? It's being captured right now. There we go. So let's go ahead and close it. There we go. Now if you come back to the photos right here on the left, look at this. Nice. You see it? It's captures. Look at this. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this now. Start over. See that? The photos is empty right now, so let's go ahead and execute it again. Boom. See? I'm gonna hide my face. See? There we go. Let's try again. Let's see if this is gonna save. Okay, there we go. If you go to the photos folder, now you can see. There we go. There we go. Boom. Basically, it's saved. Nice. So, if you'd like to know about the creating such a great, amazing programs, interesting programs, applications, join my team. Happy programming.